So I thought that I'd do a 2 minute Tuesday on a Monday this week, just because why not? But yeah, really quick 2 minute, maybe 3 minute video on how I make my thumbnails for absolutely free. Yeah, absolutely free. So let's head into it. So we're gonna go over to the computer now. So very long story short. Website that you want to be going to is spark.adobe.com. I should probably go to the website. There we go. Spark.adobe.com. Just log in with whatever like Google account you have. Yes, I promise this is completely free. So I'll log in with my AlexBody7 account, my standard Gmail account. So easiest way to do this, you select YouTube thumbnail. If you want, you can upload a picture or you can use anything from their stock. Yes, this is completely free. So let's say I want to use this banger over here. I should probably just preface. So I don't have my lighting set up, which is why my lighting's so like weird and flat and I look decolored, and I haven't eaten today, so it could be that. The dog's definitely gonna come bark, but that's also fine. So yeah, this is like the longest part of the whole process is when it's just setting everything up. Cool. So now you get into this. So what happens is when you select a picture, it automatically drops your picture down over there. Let's just go to standard fit. So what you can do is you can go through here and you can select a bunch of like templates. More often than not, I'll just use a text template. So if we were to remove that, one really cool text template that I like to use because it's quite striking. I have lost a little bit on my screen. There is this one over here. Let's call this free thumbnail. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, how to free thumbnail. How do you spell thumbnail? Like that? Heck yeah. Cool. So once you've got your text up on the right hand side, you can select whatever color you want your text to be. More often than not, I find that a nice striking color is often best. You can have a look and see which one you think looks the best out of the text templates. Shape gives you a little something at the bottom. So if I ever put a shape on, I'd generally change the color quite drastically. Then I'll just drop the opacity. Opacity is the second one. It's 2 minute Tuesday, so we're flying. I know it's Monday. Shadow is, as it sounds, it's a drop shadow. Once again, you can change the color. You can change the angle of the shadow if you want to. So essentially, you just picture which side the sunlight would be casting the shadow from. And then outline is in between the shadow. I don't know why I'm pointing to my screen. You can't see it. But outline is between the shadow and the actual text. So once that's done, you will notice that there's a wonderful Adobe Spark thing at the bottom here. So what you do is you download your JPEG. Okay, so upon recording, I just noticed that my picture came out weird. So here we go. We've got it. Yes, is it normal? Okay, cool. So once you've downloaded your, I'm wearing headphones for some reason. Once you've downloaded your thumbnail that you've created on Adobe Spark, open it up in Windows Viewer, and then literally, all you do is you crop it in, crop above that Adobe Spark zone, save your copy. We'll save this to documents as test2 because I've already done that. And then open up your documents, open up the picture, and you'll see you've got a flippin' rad thumbnail for 100% free. Spend a bit of time on Adobe Spark. There's a lot of really cool templates and stuff like that you guys can play around with. But yeah, that's just the way that I create my free striking thumbnails for free.